Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this seems similar than like my last video, it's just because I'm filming this right behind each other. So now we're looking at Topshop. I'm doing an accessory haul for you guys today, and I'm really excited because I've never shopped at Topshop before. It's just because in Germany itself there's only one Topshop shop, and otherwise it's just an online shop. But I saw a few cute bags there and decided to put up an order, and I've got some accessories here. I want to share this haul with you guys. And yeah, I just filmed before, so it's the same look as before. I'm sorry about that, but I can change up every day. I can, but you know, yeah, because it's convenient. Today I have no one at home here, so I'm gonna film too. So I decided to just film right right after each other, if I can say so. This is the package. It took quite a bit to come here, but yeah. If you like this type of haul video, which is more casual, please just drop a like or let me know what you think in the comments, or which piece was your favorite. I would really like to hear that. And otherwise, stay tuned for other videos. For accessories, I bought some of them in sale. Some were special offers, so I bought 3 pairs of socks for example, and these socks were cheaper when I bought 3, so something like this. I don't know each price of the item, but I will link everything in the description box, so check it out if you want to. Yeah, and let's open up this one. Whoa, it's actually really pretty. It's a small bag. I only bought small bags, by the way. The quality is really good. It's not flawless, to be honest. There are some scratches on the surface in front, and I really don't like that. Come really close. Maybe the camera can't even capture it, but there are some scratches in this already. Hopefully you can see that, because it's really hard because of the PU. From afar, like from 1 meter, you won't see that anyways, and it will get scratched anyways. But just from the first impression, I really liked it at first, visually, but then because of the scratches, I was kind of pissed. And you can't really turn it around because the closure thing on the top is put inside the bag. So if I had a possibility to turn everything around, I could do that probably, so that the end would come out here, you know. So I just switch sides, so I can just put the end on this side instead of this one. That's the solution I would have. So for the strap, there are 2 kind of straps, which is also really interesting. The first one is one in a kind of leopard color. I don't know how to say this. There's probably a word for this. The second one is the PU leather one. It's really simple, and I think you can even, both of the straps are detachable, but this one you can also change the size from, I think. Yeah, and the inside of this, the bag has actually 2 parts, you know. The first one is the PU bag itself, which is in this brown color, and you have to be careful, but you couldn't cut yourself, I hope, on this side. And then on the inside there's also the second bag, like a PU leather part. And there's also a small compartment, but otherwise it's just a bucket bag. But it looks really cute. What do you think about this bag? I think it's really cute. It could go with a lot of colors, and earth tones are really in trend right now. Ta-da! Second item. Second item is a lime green bag, and this is definitely keep it. This was the first item I chose. I have to unpack this for a bit. Actually, this is well protected. This one is a really chic, trendy bag, I have to say. This is also PU leather. The quality is fine. It's an interesting top. This has a normal PU leather strap on top, but attached to that are these wooden balls. It looks so nice. I really love this design, and there isn't any other possibility. You have to put a longer strap on it. Inside it's just a simple bag with a single compartment and a really small one on the side. The small one is probably typical for Topshop because the other bag had exactly the same compartments, like one big one. Yeah, really super happy with the color. It could suit a lot of things. It's really for spring, and yeah. Definitely keepers. This one was 27 pounds slash 36 euros, which is really a lot of money for this bag. But it's just that expensive because it freshly came out. I would wait for this to come on sale because I'm not confident that this color will sell out pretty quickly. This also came in black. So if you like it, if I remember correctly, sorry if I'm saying something wrong, but I think this came in black, and if you like it more toned down and simple, then the black one is the one to go. But I really think this design is super pretty and kind of retro, although this is really something you don't see really often, but it's really chic, so really nice bag. Happy with this one. So the last bag is actually something I saw in store. It's also a small bag, I know. I have to say they wrapped the bags really nicely so that the leather won't get like scratched or anything. They put a lot of plastic in there to protect the covers, like something like this, you know. It's one of the more chic ones. I think all of them are kind of chic, but like this one is really modern and more on the fancy side. Like, when I saw this on the online shop, I didn't think it would do the bag justice what I saw in real life. So when I was in the shop in Topshop, I saw this standing on a table, and I instantly thought I really love this one. So of all of those bags, I think this one's the most prettiest, and I really love it. So what do you guys think? Small bags are in, but this holding part over here has the same material as the chain before. It comes in a really nice cream white color. It has the same plastic design on the front side as a circle, and that looks really neat. Then opening it up, it has another chain strap. And then there's a lot of paper inside here again. This one is even smaller than the last one, but it has also this small compartment on the front side. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. A super small one. I don't think you can fit something inside there. So instead of using this, you can also use a chain strap, but I think using it just holding like this looks so much better. And definitely a keeper. So this one I definitely recommend. This is so cute. Look how small it is. It's as big as my head, but it looks really nice. It's a perfect accessory. I decided to buy a few accessories to spice things up a little bit. This one, the lime one, I think this is my favorite one, but I'm not sure. I couldn't decide between those. So for the sock deal, I actually bought 3 socks, but it seems like one of the items was sold out or isn't there anymore. So one sock is missing. I have to check the paper. I got 3 socks for 12 euros, but the last one was probably sold out. Sock, it's a simple one, it's 350 pounds or 5 euros. And this one is also, it comes in a leopard print in neon green. And interesting is there are also some rainbow colored threads in there. So if you look closely, you maybe can see that shimmer. I'm not 100% sure if you can, because you have to look really closely. That's how they look like. I think this will look great for white sneakers, that's why I got them. These I actually regret getting because this looks kind of ugly from here, from this side. I don't know why, but I think the stitching here is kind of strange. But they were really cheap, to be honest, so okay. This was a 3 for 8 deal, but I don't have my last pair of socks. First of all, Egyptian earrings. Okay. Are not returnable. Makes actually pretty damn much sense. This one has a strap which you can pull up, you know, like so, and put together again like this, so it doesn't actually put so much pressure on your ear. Yeah, but they look really nice. Look at the design. The earrings from Topshop are not real metal, but hence they're not that affordable. These ones were 10 euros. I would actually pay a bit less. These were but on sale, so I'm not sure what I paid. These actually look so fabulous on my black hair. It really complements my black hair right now, is what I would say. And maybe it's because of the blue denim I wear, the blue denim shirt I wear, is that it looks this nice, and it actually holds up really well on the back side here. So what do you guys think? Yeah, I have to pull up my hair a little bit more, right? They look really great. I think these are so worth it. I really like these ones. Wow, I really like them. These look so bold and nice. And they're not heavy. They're not heavy, guys. Next ones are ones I saw in store once again. They look like this. They look really extra because they're so colorful. I hate when the stick of the earring, like this part, is kind of angled, like if they're not straight. Do these look good? They're not that low hanging, but they're still big and seeable. Let me pull that back for you guys. What do you think about them? I think they're nice. They're quite big from afar. They're seeable. They have 3 parts, which is really interesting. They look interesting. They can spice up an outfit. You can wear them without the suiting necklace and stuff. So yeah, I kind of like them as well. Next ones I also saw in store. I find these super interesting, but they're super huge. So just let me show you in a second. They are flat gold metal kind of earrings. I know that's not real metal, but just saying. Are made like, I don't know, they are circular shaped, and they have a little detail orange part on this side in the middle, and this part is the most interesting design. This one is like a thread they pulled through holes, which looks really super interesting, and it looks like glue or something from the far, but like just only, I don't know, the idea is really interesting to make a silhouette or a form yeah, out of this kind of stitching almost, which I really found super interesting. These are actually heavy ones. These are the most heavy ones now. You can actually see on the back side how it was tied together. That's the outside. I'm hurting myself here. Super bold earrings once again. These are actually pretty heavy. I wouldn't last for a whole work day with them, but I think the color is really nice, kind of creative and a bit boho looking. I don't know why, but this is so boho looking. And my left ear actually hurts because these are really heavy, guys. Actually, my right ear handles it much better than my left ear. I don't know why. Really nice. Until now, I actually liked every single earring from Topshop. Last pair of earrings are these ones from Topshop. I saw them in store as well. I saw some other neon green ones in the store as well, but I didn't go and get them. Neon green earrings here. They're really simple. They're hoop earrings. Neon is really in trend. That's why I got this color. I thought this would go well together for accessories. I really don't like the closure mechanism, so I'm not sure about how I feel with them. I can't really put them on. I'm so sorry. These are also quite harsh. I need a mirror for these ones, so give me a second to try them on. They look really nice, yes, but if you have any ideas how to put on hoop earrings like this, please give me tips, because I couldn't go through my holes and I couldn't find the hole of the end of the earring. This one I actually put on the wrong way, I think. This one is the correct way, I think. I love them optically, but putting them on is such a hassle. But maybe it's just me and it's just something you have to get used to, and I'm not used to it, and I'm having terrors from putting these on. Definitely something that you can check out. I'm happy with all of the earrings instead, apart from this one, which I can't put on and off. For some reason, putting them off is so much easier. As you can see that they don't have really a closure there. They just have this metal part to put through and pierce through more than one hole. Yeah, these were all the earrings. Yeah, we made it. And then we only have 2 more items, but yeah, it's not something I would probably wear at work or something. But yeah, it's a gold colored one. I wanted something to be able to be layered. The color is really pretty. The closure is, it has this kind of closure where you have a stick at the end. So there are chances it can fall off if you move too much. I look like a hip hopper now. But if I put this under this, it looks actually really nice. Little touch there. And it looks pretty. So it's something to layer. And then I found a necklace I was really excited about, and that is a scorpion type necklace. It's a normal necklace, also in gold, but it has a keychain and it has a scorpio on it, and it has a flat side. So this one is the to be seen side, and that one is the back side. The color, the chain itself is a bit flimsier. You can actually just layer these 2 together, but my shirt is nothing I can layer this with, so this isn't working. But I was thinking color-wise, this goes well with both gold earrings I showed before, like the Egyptian style ones. And yeah, it has 3 lengths you can use. So if I put the longest one, you can see maybe how it could look like if it had a length that suited this. I think this is so cute, the small one. I'm pretty sure I will break this too though. Okay, I'm free now. So guys, thank you for watching this accessory haul. If you have any experience with Topshop and even for clothes, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, I will be happy. I'd be happy if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye!